This is the kombucha fermentation, and we use, what is this? Yerba mate infusion. And look at the SCOBY. Okay, now I will try to open the lid and try to smell. It smells really good.
Do you
really
get hit by the gas? No.
Oh, it smells really good.
Yesterday I did, and the gas went up in through my nostrils.
Wow. The SCOBY. This is the new form SCOBY on top. But it's still thin. How old is this? Day number 6. Okay. Needs to be for how many days? 10 days. This is the other infusion, the kombucha with jasmine tea. The jasmine tea has different color, and the SCOBY also forming here. This is the SCOBY forming on top of the old ones. It looks really different with the yerba mate SCOBY. Here's a bit dirtier. And let's smell it. Oh, the smell is totally different. You can smell the fermentation, but still it has the scent of the jasmine.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Nah, kalau kalian suka dengan video barusan, jangan lupa untuk klik like dan subscribe. Tungguin video-video berikutnya ya. Ciao!